the shoemaker. This is the shoemaker.
Oh dear, there are lots of shoes.
These are the mice.
Oh, she's tired. Oh, poor shoemaker.
The mice can make shoes too.
Let's help the shoemaker.
The shoemaker is happy.
Oh! These shoes are fantastic.
Oh, those shoes are beautiful.
I want those shoes, please.
But who are the shoemakers?
Two little mice. Oh, his t-shirt is old. Her jacket is old. Poor mice.
The shoemaker has got an idea.
These are his trousers. This is her skirt. Oh.